All right, on this now, we're gonna do the double pin, moving all the way on the spinning pass from 6 o'clock all the way around 180 to 3 o'clock, okay? Now, I start first with the explanation, and then later I just count the numbers, and they know how many steps, which in this case will still be 4 steps. So let's see how it starts from the beginning. You go one round kind of slow. The other thing too, don't call the students by name, but you number them so it becomes a little faster. So if you have 3 on your line, the front one is number 1, mid one number 2, last one on line number 3, and so on. Don't make the lines too long. You should have assistant instructors if it gets too big of a class, okay? So let's start again here. Number 1, double pin, move 9, move 12, move 3. Control. Good. Number 2, double pin, move 9, move 12, move 3. Control. Okay, stay there. Okay, here a lot of times they try to go for the cross face, which is fine. The block that I'm using is keeping the shoulder control and blocking off the shoulder in the front. So let's repeat again one more time. Make sure you got that last part. Let's do it again. Double pin. Make sure that's heavy. No, my legs cannot lift. Okay, let's go again. 9 o'clock, 12, and 3. Good, and block. Perfect. Number 3, let's go. Double pin. Don't go yet. 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock. And block. One more time. Very nice. 9 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 3 o'clock. Good. Switch now. Next, number 1. Now you're doing numbers. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Number 2. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. Number 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Awesome.